Hi there, and for this video, we'll be teaching you how to fix DeepSeek AI if it's not working. So right now, I'm using an Android device, so all we have to do is go to Settings and scroll down until you find Apps. You can tap on See All Apps, but of course, if you've been recently using DeepSeek, it should be right here. Now once here, tap on Storage and Cache, and simply clear the storage and clear the cache. If that doesn't work, you can go to your Play Store and search for DeepSeek. Now, once here, instead of Open, if you see Update, you might need to update DeepSeek AI, especially if you set your auto updates to off. If that doesn't work, simply tap Uninstall and reinstall the app. That should work. However, if you're an iPhone user, the steps are similar. You would have to go to your settings, but instead of seeing apps, you'll have to go to General. Once in General, you'll find iPhone Storage, and once there, tap on iPhone Storage, simply scroll down until you find DeepSeek. Once you tap on DeepSeek, you'll see an option to offload the app. Simply tap on that. It is similar to clearing the cache files and the data with Android devices. And once you see the button Reinstall App, simply tap on Reinstall. That should fix the issue. Another thing to note is DeepSeek is quite reliant on stable internet connection. So if you're on mobile data, you might want to switch over to Wi-Fi. However, depending on your mobile data, if your data is stronger, then you'll have to switch over to that instead. Either directly through the settings, like what we see here, or slide down your phone and then tap on data. Right now, you can see I'm connected to Wi-Fi. And if none of that works, sometimes the problem can be with the app themselves. Sometimes the servers cannot handle the amount of people requesting access, and so it will slow down or completely breaks. So if that's the case, we'll just have to wait until they sort out their servers. Still, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.